What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it's been a minute since I even recorded a video. So just a little update on what's been going on. So the reason I haven't been uploading is because the turbo, I installed it and everything, it went good, but my dumb self started driving the turbo without getting it tuned, driving on the bigger turbo without getting it tuned, and I blew the turbo. I was racing this 5.0, this Mustang, and it blew. All of a sudden I just seen white smoke start pouring out the back of my exhaust. So my turbo has been at the turbo shop getting rebuilt. Just waiting on some parts. But so far, let me show you what's going on with the car. So everything is almost done. I have the E85 and everything. I got a new head, and I'll tell you why. Because when I blew the turbo, I was so mad that I had to put the stock turbo back on. That I was drilling in the bolts for the manifold, and I actually broke off one of the bolts in the head. So when I broke off one of the bolts, I was like, dang, I need to get a new head. So I was like, you know what? My car's gonna be down. Well, it's not gonna be down. My turbo's gonna be getting rebuilt. So in that time, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just order parts. So I got a catch can. I have some ARP bolts. And guys, I think this thing is heavy. I got some stage 2 cams. So, GSC, I went ahead and I got stage 2 cams, and with the new head that's at my dash shop, I went ahead and got it ported and polished. It's ready for this. I have injector adapters in here, I think. Let me see. Yeah, so I have injector adapters for when I put on the 1000cc injectors, washer. I got radiator hoses. When I blew the turbo, it also blew this right here for the turbo, so I bought that. So guys, I've just been ordering parts. I'm just waiting on this freaking turbo to freaking finish being rebuilt so that I can go ahead and get everything all set up and done. I already got the gauges. I need to get one more gauge, so I'm gonna have to probably get a single one because I need a one to tell my oil pressure. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm also getting a diffuser for built for my car. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm getting a diffuser built by this kid or guy named Nick Masterson. I'll link his Instagram right here on the screen. I'm getting side skirts made and a front splitter. And look at this. The bumper is a different color. There's no lip. I was on my way down to go see him so that he can make my diffuser, and somebody had a blowout with a tire, hit the front of my bumper, and it tore it off. It tore off this whole right side. So had to get a new bumper. Just waiting on the lip to come in the mail. And when that lip comes in the mail, I'm just gonna get the whole car painted. It's gonna be metallic black. So I'm excited. That is my update so far on the car. I'm excited for this build. I'm just waiting. And just after I get everything done, I just need to go get it tuned. Oh man, I can't wait. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. But yeah, she's still here. Just waiting on these parts. I'm excited. I need to get my headlights cleared. And look at this. There's a freaking bug in there. And I need a new fuse box. So I got all this stuff to do. But that's all I have for you guys for right now. And until then, oh yeah, let me show you guys a picture of how I was driving with my car while the bumper was off. It was actually looking pretty clean. I can't lie. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. That's all I have for you guys. So until then.